We still have some cloud cover in the area, but hey, it's going to improve. We'll see a little more sunshine this afternoon, and the temperature will be just a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday, which again, for July, not that bad. We do have a little cloud cover still over areas of DFW, and this all has to do with fog that we saw develop early today. That fog is lifting, so it looks like clouds now, but eventually that'll dissipate and you'll see a bit more in the way of sunshine. A little bit of rain still across our far eastern counties into East Texas. Otherwise, we're looking pretty dry. Weatherford right now still looking a little cloudy, temperature of 82 degrees. It does feel a little warmer than the actual temperature. Here's what you need to know about today. We still have daily rain chances through the weekend. It's not going to be as hot through the weekend, again, for July standards, and the hot and humid rain-free conditions that returns next week, so what you would normally expect in your summertime pattern. And something else that we see very often this time of the year is an air quality alert. This is for high levels of ozone. This is going to lower air quality. If you have respiratory issues, you may want to limit your time outside, just because our air quality right now registering at an orange, which is 2 steps below good air quality. 82 degrees right now. It feels like 86 when you factor in the humidity. The humidity will be a factor the rest of the week, this weekend, and even next week. Winds remain very light today, which is why that air quality alert is in place. 90 degrees expected today in Dallas, McKinney, 93 in Denton, 91 in Fort Worth, mid-90s for our western counties. That's where the sun has been shining a bit longer. A cloud cover will be a bit more dense along our eastern counties. That's why temperatures will only make it into the 80s. In fact, that's where we also find our highest rain coverage today. Best opportunity for rain will be southeast of DFW today. 20% coverage for Ellis, Kaufman County, and higher coverage the more southeast you go. If you're in Tarrant, Denton, even portions of Hood County, Parker County, Wise County, you may see a pop-up shower this afternoon, but chances are really slim at this point. So this afternoon, this is what it could look like. Wednesday around 4, you see a few little showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm to the southeast. The same for Thursday. I think Thursday morning we're going to start out with some areas of fog, just because we do have a lot of moisture on the ground, but a bit more cloud cover for our eastern counties. This is Thursday, 3 in the afternoon. You still see some of that rain across our eastern counties. I'm going to fast forward now to Friday. Friday, Saturday, we have higher rain coverage, about 30%. So you'll see more cloud cover in the afternoon. You might see better coverage of rain east of I-35. So we'll be watching that. Saturday, very similar setup, but by far the highest rain coverage will be to the south of North Texas. So we'll see about 30% coverage for Friday, Saturday, but until then, only about 20% coverage. As far as how much rain to the south of us, that's where we'll see the most along the coast, 2 to 5 inches. But here in North Texas, we could see less than a quarter inch for DFW. To the east, we could see closer to half an inch. So again, not a lot. Temperatures, those are going to be quite nice considering it is July. Upper 80s Thursday, Friday, 90s return over the weekend, but mid 90s next week. A ridge of high pressure settles back in. That's going to limit our rain chances. It's going to crank up those temperatures. We're talking upper 90s by next Wednesday, triple digits by next weekend. We'll be back.